From rural fringes to global stages, from tea gardens to international expos, our journey is a testimony that when people own their narratives, change becomes inevitable. In this Silver Jubilee year, as we reflect on our journey, we see a path forged through dedication to culture, community, and change. Over the past 25 years, we have strived to professionalize traditional cultural practices, harnessed theatre for development to inspire meaningful behavioral shifts, and champion the empowerment of women as catalysts and protagonists of their own progress. Together, these efforts have contributed to building a more inclusive, creative, and resilient society. At the core of our journey is our culture-based development approach, Art for Life. This innovative model fosters socio-economic development for cultural practitioners by creating an ecosystem that ensures sustainability, intergenerational transmission, and creative innovation. It uplifts villages, artists, and art together. Art for Life has reached diverse geographies, plains and desert, mountains and valleys, supporting cultural practitioners in showcasing their traditions to the world. Direct market linkages have led to the rise of micro enterprises, strengthening local economies and empowering women. Our village festivals have transformed rural areas into vibrant cultural destinations. They serve as powerful, inclusive platforms where traditional arts thrive and communities come alive. These festivals connect the world with the village, reviving heritage, engaging locals, and instilling pride. We have also set up folk resource centers and community museum in art and craft villages, offering shared spaces for practicing, preserving, and celebrating cultural traditions. They also function as training hubs and symbols of collective pride and community identity. Our focus has always been on safeguarding living heritage, promoting creative entrepreneurship, and driving inclusive tourism. We aim to build global networks that celebrate cultural diversity and drive equitable development. Key milestones of our journey include Art for Life being selected as a best practice at Osaka Expo 2025 under the theme Designing Future Societies for Our Lives, benefiting over 60,000 individuals across West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, and Goa. 60% of women beneficiaries, 10 times increase in income levels across participating communities. Through multicultural art and music residencies and global partnerships, we have built bridges between rural traditions and global audiences, safeguarding cultural heritage while promoting cross-cultural understanding. With a full-time multidisciplinary team of 65 professionals and years of field experience, we continue to innovate, inspire, and impact. Our work has been recognized globally, and we remain committed to delivering excellence rooted in inclusion and sustainability. As we look to the future, we carry forward the legacy of past 25 years with renewed energy, deep commitment, and an unwavering belief in the power of culture to transform lives.